Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Here I am bringing you to the most delightful Christmas nail designs to elevate your holiday spirit. In this video, I will showcase a collection of stunning and festive nail art designs and ideas that are perfect for the Christmas season. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more inspiring nail art tutorials and videos. Get ready to dazzle this Christmas season with my fabulous nail designs. In this video, you can see all about the ideas to the Christmas occasion. By this video, you all get ready to be inspired as I explore a variety of Christmas themed designs. From classic and elegant to cute and playful, these ideas and nail arts will guide you step by step through each designs, making it easy for beginners and all of you to create eye-catching look at home. By this video, you can discover glamorous options like shimmery red and gold glitter nails adorned with tiny snowflakes or sparkling rhinestones. Embrace the traditional side with intricate holly or candy cane pattern, or go for a modern twist with geometric design featuring Christmas tree and all other ideas about Christmas Day. I will also share some adorable options for those who love cute and fun designs. Imagine the adorable penguins, cheerful snowman, or Santa Claus's face on your nails. These designs are sure to put a smile on your face and spread holiday cheer wherever you go. Whether you are attending Christmas parties, family gatherings, or simply want to show off your festive spirit, these Christmas nail designs will make a statement for you. So grab your favorite nail polish, brushes, and accessories, and let's get creative designs and ideas on your fingernail tips and enjoy all the day Christmas holiday. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my videos for further delightful videos. Thanks for watching.